Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss how to fix iPhone keyboard typing wrong character. For example, if you use your iPhone keyboard and after that you see if it is typing wrong characters or suggesting the wrong character as you type on your iPhone. So how you can fix that? For example, if you type on keyboard and randomly it starts suggesting wrong characters. So how you can fix that? For this, what you have to do, you have to simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to simply make sure that you are connected to a proper Wi-Fi or internet connection. So here what you have to do, you have to simply first of all turn on the airplane mode for some second. And after that, you have to turn it off again. And after turning off the airplane mode for some second, you have to turn it on again. So here what you have to do, you have to simply make sure that you are connected to proper Wi-Fi or internet connection. And the next thing you have to do is you have to simply go to settings, and after that you have to scroll it down until you find the option of general. So here what you have to do, you have to scroll it down until you find the option of transfer or reset iPhone. So here you have to simply click on reset, and here you have to simply reset all of your network settings. And after resetting all of your network setting, what you have to do next is you have to simply restart your iPhone. And after restarting your iPhone, what you have to do next is you have to simply check whether you have an updated version of the iOS. So here you have to simply check that. For this, what you have to do, you have to simply go to general. After that, you have to simply go to software update, and you have to check whether any kind of a new software is iOS available or not. If you have an older version of iOS, then you have to simply update your iPhone. And after that, you have to check whether your problem has been solved or not. Because many errors related to keyboard or like that occur due to latest iOS update. So in this way, you can simply solve that. And if the problem is still there, then what you have to do, you have to simply go to settings, and after that, you have to again click on general. So this time you have to go to keyboard. And here what you have to do, you have to simply turn off any other languages which you have selected because it may be occurring a problem. So you have to simply use the official iPhone keyboard. You do not have to use any other type of keyboards. And moreover, if you want to use your keyboard correctly, then you can check for auto correction whether is it working properly or not. So you can also check these kind of toggles. So in this way, you can really solve the error. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like this, you can subscribe our channel.